This jumbo-sized rustic raspberry chocolate chip scone has a decadent, buttery, and creamy crumb bursting with semi-sweet chocolate chips and raspberries inside a crisp, caramelized crust that is swimming in Chambord ganache glaze and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. In a small bowl, mix 60 grams flour with 10 grams sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then rub 20 grams cold butter into the flour to a coarse crumb. Gently mix in 40 grams cream until a shaggy damp dough develops, then stir in 20 grams semi-sweet chocolate chips and 20 grams frozen raspberries. Shape the scone into a round disc and drop it in the middle of the skillet greased with butter and sanded with sugar. Score the top with a sharp knife to create an X that cuts halfway through the dough. Brush the top with a thin layer of cream and a dusting of brown sugar. Bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven until golden brown and cook through about 20 minutes. To make the Chambord ganache glaze, heat 10 grams cream to near boiling and pour over 20 grams white chocolate chips. Leave for a minute to temper the chocolate through before stirring, then mix in 5 grams Chambord until smooth. Allow the scone to cool down to room temperature, then release it from the skillet and pour the Chambord ganache glaze over top.